over here, girl, that's what it's for. You know how to go and get a bag, don't you? You know how to make a mad, don't you? Make your ex wanna get it back. That's a fact. Say a lot of put she's in the back. Hey.
I know how to go and get it back. I know how to go and get it back. Hey. Hey. If you want to get a bag, hit me up. We're getting bags over here. Me and my team, we stacking up and we getting these bags, okay? Ooh. Feeling good today. You know, I'm a part of this amazing opportunity, you know, that allows me to be here. I just picked up my kids, and we had a concert today for one of our other kids. I was able to go because, you know, we just have the flexibility to do what we want. I didn't have to ask for permission to take off for my boss or whatever it is. We're our own bosses, still making that money, still getting the bags. All right, guys, if, you know, I don't know, like, some people are so hesitant to join this amazing business, but you know what? A lot of people are taking advantage of this amazing opportunity as well, guys. So you know, I can't even acknowledge the people that are, you know, hesitant or, you know, just skeptic about joining what we got going on, this amazing movement that we got going on that so many people are part of. Our team has already grown close to 12,000 members in our group. So it's crazy right now, guys. You know, and we're just getting started. We just became a part of this opportunity about 6 months ago, guys. So, you know, it's still new to us as well, and we're all growing together, you know, and people are having amazing results. The company offers, you know, financial education overall, and people are really having success with the products and services that they provide. You know, fixing your credit, adjusting your W-4, getting more money into your paychecks now without asking your boss for a raise, okay? By eliminating the federal taxes that are taken out of your paycheck every pay period. Okay, so instead of waiting for your refunds, like a lot of people do, I know I used to, you know, to really make a big purchase, maybe a car or whatever it is. Now you have that money in your pocket now. So you decide what you want to do. You want to save it, whatever you want to do, take it now to go and buy presents for the holidays, you know, so people could use that money now. So that's also what the company teaches. They show you how to save money, how to invest your money, okay, and start preparing for your future, okay, because we don't want to just work all our lives. You know, we want to be comfortable. We don't want to keep working when we're 70 years old, you know, and we just want to have everything taken care of, even for after we're gone. You know, if we have family, you want to leave things behind for them. You don't want to just be a burden to them and leave them with extra expenses, you know. So this opportunity just, I'm telling you, overall financially educates you on how to be successful and smart about your money. Okay, let's get smart about our money, guys. And it's so great because I could work from the comfort of my own home. You know, you could do this on the side if you already have a job. You know, if you don't have a job, this is perfect for you. You just have to invest, and right now is a great time to invest because it's only $27.95 to get started and become an associate. Like, it's $27.95 to start your own business, basically. You know, like, you can't find that anywhere else. And I'm making, you know, all this money, real money, okay, with a $27.95 opportunity, okay? That's crazy. I've been in the opportunity in online marketing for a while now, and I've never came across something like this. It usually takes thousands of dollars to invest or to open up your own business, basically, and we have that all online. I could work anywhere in the world, and still get paid. All right, and meet amazing people, and do big things. So if you want to be a part of an amazing team, okay, and if you want to learn how to become financially successful, all right, and just know how to manage your money better and pay less taxes to the government and keep that money into your pocket, okay, inbox me, comment below info. I'll probably leave a link above or below this video, all right? Message me on Facebook, wherever this video is at, on YouTube. You gotta get with the movement. It's the best $27.95 you're gonna spend ever. I promise you that. All right, so have a great day, and thank you for watching this video. And let's get that money. Let's get those bags. All right, guys, have a great day. Peace out.